To support the Symphony Academy is to just provide that next generation of music lovers. Our students may go on and become professional musicians, but even if they choose other career paths, we know they will be lifelong music lovers.
Music is all about dedication. You can't really quit once you've gotten really into it because it's so tempting to just get back to it and have fun.
Music decorates our time as individuals on this earth.
The support that we get from the community helps make, really is essential to running an arts organization in this community. Music isn't just for the elite, it is for the community.